Good girl, Nike.
Okay, I'd say there's a little interest there, at least.
Can you bring the duck back?
Good girl.
Wow, that's more than we've
That's
seen.
what's shown the most.
El-
It's definitely showing the most.
Ellen's puppy.
She's the only one. That's right. That was the puppy you liked. You thought they had Banjo's face.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look, she's still looking for the duck.
She is still.
Right. You get 'em.
Good girl.
Find it with your nose.
Oh, she's looking.
She is weird looking.
There it is. Nope, not that. That's not the duck.
Okay, I want this one. Oh, she's looking for a spot to poop.
Oh, well, you know. There's probably